Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Thinkorswim versus Fidelity. We'll dive into their trading platforms and unique tools, examine the investment options each broker offers, and discuss their fee structures, including commissions and other costs. We'll also evaluate their customer support and educational resources to help you determine which platform best suits your individual investing style and financial goals. Let's get started. Thinkorswim from Charles Schwab is renowned for its powerful, customizable desktop platform, offering advanced charting with hundreds of technical indicators and drawing tools. It also features a valuable paper trading mode for practicing strategies. Fidelity, on the other hand, provides a user-friendly interface, including its Active Trader Pro platform, which is great for most traders. Both brokers offer highly rated mobile trading apps, ensuring you can manage your investments on the go. Your choice depends on whether you prefer deep customization or a more streamlined experience. When it comes to investment options and fees, both Fidelity and Thinkorswim offer commission-free trading for U.S. stocks and ETFs. For options, both charge a competitive 65 cents per contract. Fidelity boasts a wide selection of mutual funds, including many with zero expense ratios, and also offers fractional shares. Thinkorswim, however, stands out for active traders by supporting futures and forex trading, which Fidelity does not. Fidelity also has a broad range of bonds and CDs. Consider your preferred asset classes when making your decision. Fidelity is known for its strong customer service, offering support through phone, live chat, and even social media with extended hours. Thinkorswim provides specialized support for its advanced platform, including a dedicated trade desk and in-platform chat for technical and trading strategy assistance. Both offer educational resources, though Thinkorswim's are geared more towards active trading. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your individual trading style and investment goals. And speaking of making things easier, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.